Hi guys, we are here today and we are setting up, getting ready to do our YouTube drawing for our journal that we made, our old Father Christmas, 25 Days of Christmas journal that we completed. So we're getting ready to do that. I just have pulled this up, so we need to get it set up really fast. Sorry for the movement. So I'm going to put in my URL of our 25 days 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to filter my duplicate users so everybody only gets one chance. I'm going to filter for a specific, I can't say the word, text, and I'm going to type in New Year because if you remember I said to put New Year in your comment. We're going to get our YouTube comments. That's going to give us unique 68 commenters. So we're going to come down here and we're going to start our raffle and we're going to see who the winner is, and we're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and it's coming. Georgia Doberton. If I hacked up your name, I'm so sorry, but I do know it's Georgia. It says, Happy New Year to you and yours. I think you're doing an amazing job, and since I don't do videos, well, you get the idea. Thank you. So, Georgia, you have won. Please contact us with your mailing address. You can do that via Facebook if you like. Get a hold of us so we can get, this shipped out to you ASAP. Congratulations. We hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. We hope everybody had a great New Year. We've went into our Mirabella Nature Journal right now. And we're doing our tutorial for that. So, we will be working on that, for the month of January. We have some great things coming this year. Again, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. The more people we reach, the more we can do. So, that's where we're at right now. Again, thank you for everyone who followed along with us for our Christmas giveaway. And, that liked and commented, subscribed on this video. Thanks for everyone who was with us every step of the way through December. It was a big undertaking, a lot of days, but everybody enjoyed it, I think. If you have any suggestions or anything, that you want to see, or just, a remark, what you thought overall about everything we did through Christmas with the 25 days of Christmas, leave it in the comments. Read everyone's comments. So every comment you read, I try to comment back, but every once in a while, they get lost in, the YouTube random shuffle. But I try to comment back. I do read every comment. So please, if you have, suggestions or, any remark you want to make about what you thought about the 25 days of Christmas, please feel free to share that, and, whether it's positive or negative, constructive criticism, I'm good with that too, because the point of this is to create a better channel for all of us, not just for me, but for you guys, the viewers too. So please feel free to leave your, opinion. So yeah, Georgia, congratulations. Merry late Christmas. Contact me with your details, either via the email address in the description box, or via YouTube, or the YouTube comment thing. You can comment me there with your email address if you want me to contact you that, or hit me up on Facebook. I'm pretty sure, actually I'm almost certain you're on my Facebook. So yeah, just, if you're in my group, just hit me up via private message and let me know your address. I will get this straight out to you. You guys have a wonderful day. And we will see you later on this afternoon with our Mirabella Nature next step in the process. So you guys have a great day. Bye.